Hey guys, Ryan here at Signature Edits. Thank you so much for checking out this senior session questionnaire. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what's inside. As you can see, this form is a Google form. So this is the behind the scenes. This is what it looks like from the editing point of view. As you can see, it's really simple. You just click wherever you want to, and then you put in whatever text you want. And then you can go through, you can duplicate sections. So we'll go ahead and make an extra section. So if you have extra questions, you can add those in there. You can customize what kind of question type you want to have in there. So we can import questions, add a title, add an image, add a video. So you can see you can use this form for a lot of different things. You can use it as a questionnaire, which is how we've set it up. Or if you want to, you can also add some information for your senior portrait. So for example, let's say I wanted to add a little section here, just have some extra info. So before your session, here are some tips for before your session, right? And I could go ahead and prepare my clients by adding some information on makeup and hair and props and all of that kind of stuff I can put in there as they're going through the questionnaire. They'll read it, they'll see it, and I also get all of the information I need. Now this questionnaire is pre-written. It's got all the questions you need to prepare for a senior photo shoot or a grad photo shoot. And then we've also included a session contract agreement. Now, I am not a lawyer and I am not in your location, so I can't guarantee you that this is a binding contract agreement. This is just an agreement that is appropriate depending on where you are. So I would always recommend checking this out with a lawyer, but we do have that in there, and it will give you some fail-safe as well. And then we have an I agree to these conditions, so you can look at that contract, say, yep, I agree. Obviously, I'm in the edit space, so it's not going to let me check it right now. And then you're done. You can add your information, your contact details, add a photo of you, add multiple photos, whatever works best for you. So that's just a quick demo of the behind the scenes. You can see how quick and easy it is to edit the whole thing and customize it, add whatever colors you want. Let me just show you really quick what it looks like on the front end. So we've got our questionnaire, and this is on a MacBook Pro, but it will look equally good on a phone or on a tablet, on an iMac. It really doesn't matter. So you can see here, it's really beautifully organized. You go through, you add your information. And then we can also get their okay. Well, is it okay if we actually tag them on our social media profiles? Yes or no? They can add their Instagram, all of that good stuff. So you can get all the information you need. Goggle. And the beauty of it is you can actually decide whether you want to make questions required or not. So if you want to give them the chance to open up about something, you can let them do that. Or if you say, no, I need this information, it won't let them submit the form unless they add that info. So I don't know about you, but I have been personally really frustrated in the past by having forms where, they fill out half the form. With a paper form, that kind of happens. With this, you can make sure you get all the information you need. So once that information is actually submitted, on the back end, you'll see there's a responses tab. And in here is where all of the responses for all of the questionnaires that get filled out are kept, which is really great because now you have them all in one spot. You can quickly and easily cycle through them. You can print them off, you can copy them, or you can actually have them moved over to a spreadsheet as well. So hopefully this answers any questions you might have had, shows you what's inside, and I hope you're getting excited about this senior questionnaire because it's really an amazing tool. I love using these questionnaires in my business, and I hope it's going to help yours. All right, thanks. Take care.